In this assignment, we will be using the interactive review in your NCCT account. It's a different option if you're doing the medical assistant program or you're doing the billing and coding program. So let's check both of them because the options are a little bit different. So let's go to www.ncctinc.com and log in using your password and your username. Once in the NCCT webpage, go and sign in. Write your username and your password and click sign in. On this screen, you will scroll down until you see the NCCT Interactive Review System. And then you will click Learn More. The next screen will look like this. Only that for you, you will only see one of these two options. Okay? If you're doing the medical assistant program, you will only see this part. Okay? If you're doing the billing and coding program, you only see this part. Since I'm teaching both classes, both programs, I have access to both of them. Okay? So you're gonna click on the Launch Medical Assistant or Launch Insurance and Coding Specialist, depending on your program. Let's start by doing this for a billing and coding student. Okay, so we're gonna click here where it says Launch Insurance and Coding Specialist. And this will open the NCCT Interactive Review System for you. You will have different sections, okay, but we're gonna focus on this one here that says Interactive Review. Don't touch any of the other options since you will be using them in a different class. Okay, so let's focus right now in this section, Interactive Review. As you see here, some sections look like blue, some others this color, let's say that this is pinkish, and some others will show green. This color code depends on if you already started doing parts or sections of this activity, or you have not started them yet, or you already completed them. Okay, so blue means you haven't done this assignment yet. Pink, you did some of the work, not all, and green means that you finished that part. So let's focus on this section, interactive review. We're gonna click here. And for billing and coding students, you only need to complete two parts, two sections. These sections are law and ethics and electronic medical records. Okay, complete just these two sections, law and ethics and electronic medical records. Click on this section and you will be presented with 30 questions. Okay, answer all of them one by one. You can click here, continue, until you finish all the questions. When you complete all the questions, you will receive a message saying, congratulations, you completed this part. And if you go back to this part here, this, instead of being pink or fuchsia, I don't know what color is this, this will be green, meaning that you completed all the questions in this part, in this section. Then go and do the same with this part. Click here, answer all the 11 questions, and when you're done, come back, and this should be green. Then take a screenshot of this page, okay, so you can show that both sections are green, and submit it using the submission box in your assignment, in your 4.1 assignment, and that's it. So if you're doing this for billing and coding, only these two sections, law and ethics and electronic medical records, they should be green, meaning that you completed all the questions in these two sections. If your program is the medical assistant one, let's click here, Launch Medical Assistant. This screen looks like the same for both medical assistant and billing and coding programs, but when you click on the interactive review section, things will change a little for medical assistant. So let's click here, and as you see here, sections are a little bit different. Okay, it depends on your program. So this is the one for medical assistant. So this time for medical assistant students, you have different sections. The first one will be law and ethics. Okay, so click here, answer all the questions, and then go back, and this will turn green, like this one here. This green means I already completed all the questions in this section. This is the second one you need to complete if you are in the medical assistant program. Okay, then the third one for medical assistants will be medical office general management. Then medical records and office financial management. So for medical assistants, it will be law and ethics, medical office computer applications, medical office general management, medical records, and office financial management, billing and insurance. These 5 sections. Once all of them are green, take a screenshot of this section and upload it using the submission box in your assignment. So you'll return to Canvas, open your 4.1 assignment, click here where it says Submit Assignment, select the file, okay, select your screenshot, and then Submit Assignment, and that's it.